Visionary and transparent personalities are the two qualities which defines Manish sir. Especially for you sir, सोच तो आपकी होगी मगर आवाज़ हम देंगे. ख्वाब तो आपने देखा पर आगाज़ हम देंगे. Thank you.
Manish Lodha sir is an understanding and inspiring personality for me. Although I am carrying lots of memories with him, like celebrating festival, birthdays, having fun during lunch and tea time, but there is one special memory which I would like to share you today. In 2017, when the curfew was imposed in the city due to the verdict against Baba Ram Rahim, the entire city was shut down and our operations were also closed. In that difficult time, his presence and guidance supported us so well that we could not only resume our operations, but we could also ensure that services to our customers were not hampered. Thank you so much, Manish sir, for always inspiring us.
Hello friends. Manish Lodha, I have not worked that too long with him. It's hardly been 2 years that we've worked together. However, whatever time that I have spent with him, it was a great learning experience for me, and I have learned to be cool under the present situation and don't show your emotions to the other person so that he can read your strategies. And so I would like to relate him with actually MS Dhoni, who is exactly the same way in leading his team. When he don't show his emotion, but he knows where to reach and he knows how to reach to the targets. Right? Thank you so much.
It's been a great pleasure to working with line manager like Manish sir. He has led us to great successes and filled the office with positivity and happiness. One thing I like most about him is the way he handles any situation. He remains calm and responds to any situation in a positive manner. He is also very good in number. I always feel surprised how quickly he analyzes any data on fingertips. All the best, sir. I wish you all happiness and success in your life. Thank you once again. Thank you, sir.
Manish, my buddy, the person who I interacted the most. You are a valuable member of the team and your achievement speaks itself about your capabilities. A good colleague who is easy to approach and having all the understanding with the solutions. Your energy and enthusiasm are the toughest benchmark to beat at work. I wish you all the best in your new assignment. Thank you.